Life insurance companies weather the financial crisis better than banks. That's according to a recent report by Standard & Poor's. And these fundamentals may continue to improve. For more on what's happening in the industry, our Suzanne O'Halloran is joined by Eric Smith, president of USAA, the leading provider of financial services to the military community with more than $20 billion in assets under management. Suzanne?
Thanks very much, Mark. I am here with Eric Smith. Eric, welcome to the program. Mark, my colleague, was just talking about how the industry is improving. What would you attribute that to? S&P is pretty bullish on the outlook for life insurers.
Well, obviously, a lot of us have reversed our unrealized losses, and so our balance sheets are healthy, and things are on the upswing.
One of your colleagues, or rivals, should I say, in the industry, the CFO of Manulife, was a little bit critical about financial regulation and how it's stifling the industry. He personally said he would like to do more M&A, more takeovers. You were brought into USAA to grow the business. Are you looking to do takeovers?
We are not. We are not a mergers and acquisition company. We are an organic growth company. So we started in 1922 with 8 members. Here we are today with almost 8 million members, and growing organically and serving our members, that's what works for us.
Right, and most of your members are, as we said, military personnel, but you expanded that out recently to include relatives and families of any service personnel over the many years.
Well, we've always served the military community, and the way we define that is those that have served and their family members. And a year ago on Veterans Day, we changed our definition, and we now would like to serve anyone who's ever served honorably. So we went from 24 million eligible members that we could serve to a little over 60 million. So it's allowing us to, we kicked open the doors, and we are embracing anyone who's ever served honorably with our services.
And have you seen an uptick in business, and what kind of products are these new customers coming in and wanting?
We absolutely have. 09 was a great year for us. 2010 is a wonderful year for us. So we're seeing the ability to serve those individuals, multiply fantastically for us. A lot of the new customers that we bring them in through our bank. We have a $50 billion bank, so they come in through banking products as well as auto insurance. We're one of the country's leading auto insurers, so they tend to come in that way, and then they broaden their relationships by coming into the life company and acquiring life insurance or annuities, or they come into our investment company and acquire mutual funds.
Right. I want to ask you, we were talking about my colleague David Evans, who broke the story this summer that military death benefits were being abused a bit by insurers, including Prudential. Give me your take on what needs to be done to improve that situation for military men and women that are and their families in that situation.
Well, sure. So that's a government program by Veterans Affairs, the Military Life Insurance Benefits Program. So it's administered, through a contract that Prudential has. Our role in that is we understand that program. We can explain it to our members and provide them counsel, and then we can supplement it with other types of products that they might be, short on. The position we take is that we think it's an amazing honor to be able to serve those members and their families. We take it serious, and we make sure that they always understand what they have, and we stay in touch with them, and so they continue to be happy with whatever the decisions they make at such an awful time. We make sure that they stay happy with those decisions, and we would hope that everyone does that.
Right, and I think the VA is working on improving that, thankfully. So, Mark, we're going to leave it there. Our thanks to Eric Smith, the president of USAA. Mark?